Hello everyone. In last video, I showed you how you can install MongoDB on your local system, and in today's video, I'm going to cover how you can perform CRUD operations using Python into your Mongo database. So let's start. So first of all, you have to install a library called PyMongo in your Python version. So for that, I'm going to install using pip3 install pymongo. Okay, so pymongo client has installed on my system, and after that you can create a Python file with whatever name you want, and let's start code with me. So first of all, you have to import a client from pymongo, which is called from pymongo import mongo client. This client will be used to connect with the database. Either you can connect it with your local system, local database, or you can connect with any cloud database. You just have to provide us a particular URI for that cloud instance. So in our case, we're using our local database. So simply we just can write down here client equal Mongo client. So our local instance is by default running on localhost and the port 27,017. So it will connect directly to your local instance, and it will create a client object that will be used to access databases and the collections in your database. Okay, so let's dive into the some basics that you can create a database in MongoDB simply by just uh, mentioning the name with the client. You can write down client.test, and this will assume MongoDB will assume that you are connecting to a DB name test. So there's a benefit of using NoSQL database that you can create database directly in your code without any schema or specific query. You can just simply mention the name of that database and it can create the DB for you. So let's just print this DB object and see what the result shows here. So if I run it, Python 3, let me change it to the directory. Python 3 main.py, and it will show me the object, basically the object of database on the Mongo client localhost, and document class dictionary, TZ false, and connect row. And you can see the name of the database at the last of it. So you can create a deep database using like this in the Python, and this will create a database in your MongoDB. So before diving into the CRUD operations, let's just understand how MongoDB works. Unlike SQL databases, MongoDB or any NoSQL database does not have tables in it. Instead of tables, it have collections. So what does that mean? Collection means that it can collection contains uh, collection can contain multiple documents, and a single document is just like a key and value pair. So let's just say I create a simple to do here, to do, and that to do is my title buy milk, description milk is needed for the baby, done false, and this is a simple to do that I have created in form of a dictionary. And if I put it in the context of NoSQL, then this is a single document in a collection. So I can create multiple collections in database, and I can insert multiple documents into a single collection. So let's just say I've created a DB named MyDB, and I want to create a collection inside MyDB. So simply I can do like this, to do equal DB dot to do. And after that, you can insert, let's just say, change it to do one. And I want to insert this to do into the collection name to do. So we can do to do dot insert one and pass it the document to do. Okay. Now if we run this, okay. So you can simply run this, simply run the file, and you can see the file ran successfully with no errors. And make sure you have MongoDB running in the background. So let's just see that we got the data, we got the data inserted into the database. So for that, we can simply, I'll comment this code out. This will be our inserted document, and let's just see how we can get a document from the database in MongoDB using Python. So let's see and print it out and see the result of it. So you can see that you can get a result, get a document from your collection using find underscore one method, and it will return you a dictionary from it will convert the document to dictionary into the Python, and you can see the results. And you can see that MongoDB has created another key and value pair into the document that is called underscore ID. You can overwrite it as you want, but this is by default, and this is object ID given by MongoDB that stores the time, date, and time and unique ID for that document. Okay, so this is how you can get a document from your database. Okay, if I want more than one document, I can just simply remove underscore one and run the find. It will return. Let me save it first. And you can see it is giving me a cursor. So when you try to get all of the documents using PyMongo, it will return you a cursor. You can simply convert that cursor into the list, so you can get list of dictionaries in Python of your to-dos. Okay, so let's just try to update this document, and you can update document takes two parameters. Let's just say that I want to change the status of done into true, that I have bought the milk, and I want this to do to be true, done true. So I can do is that update one will take two parameters. One will be checking the condition that where title is equal to buy milk, then set done to true. These are the flags that MongoDB gave us. You can also use these flags in MongoDB shell, and also you can use these in Python. So this will set the done to true, and Let's see the result. I'll comment this out and put it down here. And you can see if I run this, that status of done has been changed to true. So this is how you can update a document using PyMongo. And last but not least, we'll see how we can delete a document in Python. So simply you just have to pass the condition. Only one, it will take only one parameter, and you can pass a condition where title matches PyMilk, delete that document. And you can also delete multiple documents by using just delete or delete manning. So what delete many will do is it will match all those documents that have title with this string. So wherever the condition matches, PyMongo will delete all those documents. So let's just see that if our document get deleted successfully. Okay, so you can see now we are getting only empty list because we have no document remaining in our database. So guys, this is it. These are basic CRUD operation that you can do in PyMongo using PyMongo in MongoDB. And if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments. I will surely get back to you with another video. Bye.